Welcome to Nata's English mini lesson. Today we're going to see some more phrasal verbs. Today the phrasal verb is, or the verb is look. We have different meanings according to the preposition we use. For example, look after. Look after means take care of somebody. For example, I look after my sister when my mother is working. It means I take care of my sister when my mother is working. Or another one is look for. Look for means search. Search. Like, for example, she was looking for her favorite t-shirt. She was searching her favorite t-shirt, but she didn't find it. Look up. Look up means to search something or a word in a dictionary, or for example, to investigate something. If you don't know a word, look it up in the dictionary. Look for it in the dictionary or search it in the dictionary. Look up to. See the difference? It's not the same look up that look up to. This is an adverb and a preposition, as we had in the previous mini lesson. Look up to means admire somebody. For example, I really look up to people who work hard. I really admire people who work hard. So admire would be the Latin verb. Look forward to. Look forward to means to be willing of something, or to be willing of seeing something. Can't wait. When you can't wait to see somebody because you have good expectation. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I'm happy if I see you. I'm willing to see you. Okay? I can't wait to see you. I hope you find these phrasal verbs useful because they are so common in everyday English. That's all for today. We will come back with some more phrasal verbs. See you the next time.